energy, I no get time for no enemy.
Hello everyone, good afternoon, good evening.
It's Kelpie Vibes.
Baby, you know that I'm in a choco. Baby, you know that I'm in a choco. Baby, you know that I'm in a choco. Angelina, you the cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall in your hand never. So now me you could love forever. I'm a cocky no feeble letter. I'm a Angelina, I'm a Angelina. Oh me all down. Anytime when I see you for the club or the television, your body. Sure you know say the when you carry 50 kill somebody. You know I feel a vibe, you feel a vibe, so baby whine about me. Yeah, and I know you shy, but it's cool when we're making love. On the low, 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 on the low. Angelina, you the cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall in your hand never. So now me you could love forever. I'm a cocky no feeble letter. I'm a Angelina, I'm a Angelina. Oh no, so when I want to come out, I signal you. Why you want to the casting on me like I interview? I'm tryna put the ring on your finger too. And be a better guy, be a better guy. On the low, 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 on the low. Angelina, you be cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall in your hand never. So now me you could love forever. I'm a cocky no feeble letter. I'm a Angelina, I'm a Angelina. Josu. Big sponsor.
Okay, let's do this way. Okay.
Caisser par carte? Facile, avec le terminal de paiement SumUp. Sans engagement de durée, sans frais fixes.
Sorry. This one. What music is this? So, okay, let's play this one again. Hello, everyone. Yeah.
She did my head, say every minute, every day she did my head. Every my carry, I'm a top of my head. Every my call on me, I be in her head. She did my head, say even when I did for she did my head. Money that carry, I'm a top of my head. Money that I wanna know, tell me what you want from me after.
Let's change it. This one too big cool.
Young John, the wicked producer.
Like what you want, sir.
Hello baby, you, how do you do? Show my family, oh, let me see. I don't mind, what shall I shine? Show my family, let me see.
Je m'appelle baby, souvent Joe Malosa, Malosa. If you no get money, alone, mama, mama. If you do papurumo, the wicked producer like in the mall. See what it do, Pocodomo, baby, alaja, umbono ya ma sherio, bekele ma sherio, mumini baby, baby, oh ya ma sherio, bekele ma sherio, mumini baby, baby.
Hello, baby, how do you do? Show my family, oh, reality. I don't mind, why shall I shine? Show my family, reality. Super, come on, baby. I know you want it. Don't need to know about your ex-boyfriend. I'm sorry, yo. Let them know, say somebody do.
Let them know, let them.
Hello everyone, we have to stop because people say we should listen to this music today. We are not going to start. Oh, we are not going to start. Okay, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you are. My name is Blessing, founder of Wisdom About Relationship by the grace of God. You know, today's topic is somehow, it's somehow, those of you that see the topic, I said, why do women cheat? And what is their reason that they cheat? This message is a message not for me to as in insult the women that do it, or to say bad things about them. My reason of bringing this message is for me. I really work for this because I've been looking for this opportunity to really find out why women are doing it. You understand? I have been looking for opportunity for me to really know why women are cheating in their relationship, even when some are married. You understand? So, how did I get this message? I met there was a lady in my city, I think, a few weeks ago. There has been I cannot hear you. Abo? Why? Am I too far? Okay. Can you guys hear me now? Okay. So few weeks ago, so there was a woman who had a problem with her husband. You understand? So she had a problem with her husband, and her husband accused her that she has been cheating. Okay. I believe it's okay now. You guys can hear me. Okay. So her husband said this woman has been cheating. You understand? Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, just do okay. You understand, please? Okay? Yes, it's too far. Okay, it's too far. Okay. It's okay now. Okay. Sister Joy, is okay? Okay. So, a few weeks ago now, this woman and her husband, they have a problem. So the problem was that the man, as in, okay, continue. It's closed. The camera. Okay. So thank you very much. So a few weeks ago, as in, there was a problem in my city here. So, and the man caught her wife cheating. So actually, I don't know the woman before, but I know the woman through my girlfriend. The woman is a friend to my girlfriend. You understand? So she's a friend to my girlfriend, and after all those things, my girlfriend was telling me, look at the problem. Yes, okay. Yes, thank you. Okay, thank you, Sister Joy. God bless you. So my friend told me that this woman has been crying, that nobody understands her problem. Why she cheats on her husband. You understand? That what lead her to do it. So the thing really touched me, because me too, I have my own experience. I'm going to talk a little story of me today. You understand? So I told my girlfriend, please, can you give me this woman number? Because I want to contact this woman. I want to hear from her. You understand? Let me know. Because I have been looking for this opportunity to talk to women. That I watched some YouTube. And they said women cheat, women do this. But what are their reasons? What are they do? Because a woman cannot just wake up one morning and start cheating on his husband. It's impossible. You understand? Me, I don't believe in that. That is, even I don't believe in it. You understand? Since I grew up to be a woman, because then I be small girl, I would say those they are wrong, they are this. But later I found out that it's not easy for a woman to just cheat on their husband without there's something that this man is not doing for this woman that lead this woman to do it. You understand? So I collect her number and I contact this woman. So the woman said she don't want to come outside. I say, I beg her, I say, please come, let me see you. It's my job. This is what I do. I like talking to women. So I explained to her because of my job. And she said, okay. So she come out. We went to this cafe bar where they take drink now. All those coffee bar. So we went there. So I bought a cafe. So I really beg her. I say, please. She's not a Nigerian woman. She was very open to me. I told her, please, sister, please, madam. Because she's all those people that speak small English. So I beg her. I say, please, I want to know, why did you do this thing? The woman was crying. I said, because my girlfriend told me that nobody understands you. She said, yes. She was feeling there were a lot of things that happened in her marriage. And those things I'm going to tell you guys. But before I start, let me read what I write here. Because this topic today, I want everybody to just help me. Because this topic is not going to be for only me that to say to talk about it. So we all have to share our own opinion. This message is for us to help men, to help women. Because a woman cannot just wake up one morning and start cheating on his husband. There must be something that the men are not doing that make this woman to do it. So that's why I brought this message out today, to share it. So what did I say here? Before I start giving my 12 reasons that I write here, I'm going to read what I write here. I said, we all know that it's bad for a woman to be cheating in the relationship. Now let us ask ourselves, why are those women cheating? And what are their reasons cheating? So that is it. So we all know that it's bad for a woman when you married or even you are dating a guy, it's bad for you to cheat. You understand? We all know it's abomination. But what are the reasons? Why are they doing it? You understand? What are the reasons? So what lead them to do it? For me, before me, I will be the one to start. So I have 12 reasons. And those 12 reasons, I have 12 reasons that make women to cheat. And this reason, please, I want to beg all the men in the world to listen to this message. If you guys can help me to share it. Because the one I watched on YouTube, I was very, most let me just, sorry to say, Nigerians. If Nigeria, they catch Nigerian women cheating on their husband, they don't say the truth. They are ashamed. They don't say the reason why they are doing it. But when you jam another country people, the reason why they do it, they will let you know. And that is what we all are looking for. You understand? Because if your husband can give you all those things that I'm going to talk about today, I don't believe a woman will cheat on their husband. But when this is I'm going to talk about that your husband don't give you, that you lack all those 12 things that I found out, my dear, it's a grace of God for a woman not to cheat. You understand? It will be a grace of God. And the woman said, maybe they are body already. As in, there are some people they are good, as in, they are cool. You understand? So women are strong. So women are not strong. You understand? There's some women that is very strong. They don't listen to all those nonsense. You understand? Even when their husband are not giving them all those things, because they are not, even though you tell them say you are beautiful, they will not fall. But there are some women, when you tell them you are beautiful, they don't fall already. You understand? So, but this message, I don't want anyone to judge any woman or to judge anybody, but I'm going to use these two things to explain to women. This topic I'm going to talk about today, there are two women that we see. There are some women that is very strong, that they don't listen to anything, all those nonsense, even though the woman and her husband have problem. They don't give ear to men to talk to. But there are some women that they give ear. When men tell them that you are beautiful, they fall. In French, we call them faible. Femme faible. Femme faible means a woman that is weak. You understand? There are women that is weak, that they fall for everything. And there are some women, they don't fall for anything. You understand? They don't fall easily for a man. So let us go. So I said I have 12. But I'm going to mention those 12 things before I start. I say 1, disconnect, abandon, revenge, unmatched expectation, abuse, money, emotional abandonment, no time for me, sexual incompatible, go out, style, your style, and apart. So we will start from number 1. I mentioned 12 things, and those 12 things, many men don't give this thing to their wife. Yes, of course, I am not a baby. You understand? I am not a baby. So many men don't give those things to their wife. That's why their wife go outside and cheat. But I don't mean that if your husband don't give you, if you are a strong woman that you can hold yourself, before I start, if you are a strong woman that you can hold yourself, I want you to hold yourself and believe in God. You understand? But not all women can hold themselves. That's why I named these 12 things. Not all women can hold themselves for these things. So women fall. They will fall for these things. But some women don't fall. Even though their husband give them, their husband don't give them, they will not fall. And so women fall for it. Okay? So let's start with number 1 before I start. I say, disconnect. What is disconnect? There are some marriages that some marriage or some relationship. I'm going to use the both sides. There are some marriages and some relationship that two person, as in the man and the woman, they will be together. Mostly marriage. The man and the woman, they are not. They don't have connection. You understand? They are disconnect. They are not. They don't talk. There's some marriage that when you go there, you will see them. You will think that they are sister or their enemy. There's nothing that flow in that relationship. You understand? Nothing flow. You understand? And women don't need it. Women need man to be. You need to always connect to your wife. You need to always connect to your wife. Women are somehow, I don't know how to describe women. Women don't like to be sometimes alone, because when we be alone, our mind start telling us different things. You understand? So you don't need to disconnect from your wife. You need to always connect to your wife. Connect. You need to always connect with her. You understand? It's very important for a man. Do not disconnect to your wife. When you come back or you're at work, there are message. Always make your wife busy. You understand? It's very important. Okay? So that one, so when you disconnect with your wife will be looking for somewhere where she can get connection. You understand? Those things sometimes it makes some women to go outside. You understand? But I'm coming, I will explain why the woman, what really make this woman to really go outside. You understand? So that's why I said 12. So number 2 is abandonment. So men abandon their wife. How did they abandon their wife? Not by living there at home or doing things. As in, abandon means there are a lot of things that lead to abandon. Like the one that this woman tell me. She said before when they were together, the man always listen to her. You understand? The man listen to her when she bring things. The man they will share it together. They will talk. But after some while, this man began to abandon her. You understand? When she bring, maybe she have things that is stressing her. You know, women sometimes we have something, any small thing we need something. We need to talk. We need to always share our problem to our husband or our man. You know, this kind of thing. But sometimes some men don't give you ear. Let's be realistic. You understand? But I'm not going to blame the men. I'm not going to blame the women. My topic today is for us. I don't want us to judge anybody. Because when I was on YouTube, the thing they pay me, because the women cannot defend, they cannot defend themselves. As a woman, when you do this kind of thing, you need to defend yourself. You need to let people know what are the reasons. I don't say you don't get right to talk, says yes. But you need to bring out your own reason. What the man is not doing to you, that push you to do this. I was really happy when this woman tell me the truth. But I feel her pain. Because sometimes men are the one that give women this chance. So I will tell you the truth today. If we say chance, men are the one that give women a big chance to cheat. You understand? Because it happened to me. When she tell me, I really feel the pain. Me, I was married for 7 years with the father of my kids, with 3 kids I had for him. So he left me. My kids were small. This man always go to Africa because he was working with the local government. He left me in Europe for 6 months. He go and spend 6 months in Africa. He come back 6 months. Imagine that kind of thing. I give you an example. You as a man, you leave your wife for 6 months. If your wife is not a woman that can hold herself, what do you think? You think cold water can hold her? Or a boliki will hold her? It's going to be difficult for that kind of woman to stay. You understand? Even if I still do all those things for that 6 months, I still wait for him, even though when he come. But although rumors still go everywhere that, hey, she do this, that's why she left the marriage. But that was not the reason. But I thank God for that. That was not the reason for me to leave. You understand? So why did I use this my S-on? Is that some men are the one that push their wife. You understand? Because you cannot leave your wife for 6 months to go to Africa to do what? And leave your wife alone. It doesn't make sense. So there were a lot of opportunity for me if I was a woman that loved adultery. There was opportunity for me to cheat. For him leaving me for 6 months, go to Africa and work, I be alone with my kids. My kids were small. You understand? There were a lot of chance for me to play game. I don't be a woman, I'm a beautiful woman. I be she understand. So I'm very beautiful. So if I want to play game, there will be time for me to do it. But I am not that kind of woman. So why did I use myself is that sometimes men are the one that push these women. The men are the one that make them to do it, because not all women can stay. Okay, so abandonment that some women now, when the man don't give them time, don't give them ear again, they will start looking for somewhere. You understand? Because when you have something that is bothering you, you are looking for who to share with. The man that you marry or the man that married you, he don't give you ear again. The man if you come back, I'm very tired, give me food. The man will just eat, enter bed and sleep. You understand? He abandoned the woman. You don't even care, my wife. How was your day today? What did you do today? How was the kids? Even though your wife is not working, for example, how was the kids' school? Did you bring them in school? What happened? All those kind of things. It's very important for a man. Always try and make your wife busy. Don't let your woman to be alone. You understand? Always ask women. Always ask your wife questions. That's how I can put it. You understand? Make her always busy. You understand? Because when women are bored, they will like to search for another thing that will make them busy outside. So many women fall in victim with that because they are bored. You understand? Number 3 is revenge. This revenge really matters, because I have friends that always tell me this thing. This revenge really matters a lot. You understand? Because as a man, before you date a woman, there's some women that don't forgive. If you do me, I go do you. Go on the verse. Mama K, bonjour. You understand? So, if some women, if you do them, they go do you. You as a man that you are dating a girl, you need to know the kind of girl that you're going to date. The kind of girl you're going to marry. Because I have a friend that tell me, if my husband cheats on me, I have to do him back. If I don't do my husband back, I will not be satisfied. So many times revenge makes some women to cheat. You understand? Sometimes revenge, it makes some women to cheat because they cannot stay, because their husband have cheated on them. They want to pay their husband back to cheat on their husband. Sometimes they want to sleep with their husband friend. You understand? Because their husband just cheat on them. They find out. This my friend tell me that, my husband cheat on me. I did not forgive him. I told him I'm going to do. So I have to do my own. And when I do my own, that's when I will forgive my husband. You imagine? So revenge can make some women to cheat. Not that they are used to it, but because that anger. You understand? That anger lead them to cheat on their husband. Number 4 is unmatched expectation. Unmatched expectation, it destroys relationship too. That's why I always said, as a young girl, as a young man, if you are dating a girl, you need to go for your choice. I'm still covered for that choice. Choice matters a lot, and you need to know what you guys both of you need to know what you guys want. You understand? Because unmatched expectation, when what you want as a woman, this man don't want it. It's gonna be difficult in your marriage. So women they like crazy guys. They like guys that wear all those marks, all those things, all those. But I'm coming for that. I'm just trying to explain. You understand? And you want to go and marry a man that don't know how to do all those things. And when you see a guy outside that have those things that you like, your heart go there. That one too can make you to cheat as a woman. You understand? So unmatched expectation as a lady, for me, if you are dating a guy, you know this guy is not your match. Don't just accept to date him. Though you can even date him, but don't, if you want to marry you, don't accept that marriage. You understand? Because you guys are not matched. Unmatched expectation is causing trouble in the relationship. Because maybe what you like the man like. And that will be a problem in your relationship. That one too can make many women to cheat. You understand? Because maybe what she like to do, she like clubbing. Let me just use clubbing. She like clubbing, this man don't like clubbing. That one is a problem already. So when this woman has see a guy, maybe a friend that like clubbing, with that clubbing, they will use that to profit this woman. You understand? So you as a woman that want to marry, or you are in marriage already, before you do this one, I'm just saying this because for us to help our younger ones that is coming. Because many of us don't decide already. You understand? Many years, we are not praying that we should go old. If we reach 90 years, 100 years, don't try. You understand? But this, we need to teach our children. Because one day they will get married, so that they will know what to give to their wife. And so that we should teach our children what our children should know of, what our boys should know of. You understand? So that they will not fall in victim, so that their wife or their wife will not bring shame to them. That's why I'm sharing this today. You understand? Because there are many everywhere, but people never explain why are women doing this. And when this woman tell me I have to go to Google, I will not lie to you. So you guys can go to Google. I went to Google to really go for search. And Google give me all those things. And I will put my own. And Google even put it. Sometimes it's men. Excuse me. Sometimes it's men that lead these women to do it. No women will just wake up with their head, with their heart, go and be doing those things. That one is different. I will still come for that. You understand? Sometimes it's men that push women. That's why I explained about my ex just now. You understand? That the way he leave me for 6 months. If I'm a woman that love those things, I will do it. 6 months far. It's in Africa. I will go and play my own game. If you still, I will still clean my face. Nothing happened. But I was not like that. So you see, so men give women chance to cheat. Let me just tell you the truth. So that's why as a man, you don't need to give your wife time. You need to always stay with your wife. But I'm coming. Later I will try to explain more. You understand? So unmatched expectation, it really matters a lot. So if you know that you and this man, you are not matched. You are not matched together. You don't think the same way. You don't have the same dream. It's going to be difficult for you to accept that kind of relationship. Because if not, so the day you will see a guy. Yes, now me, even when I was married, I don't meet guys out there. They talk to me, mother, you are beautiful. You are this. Some are very intelligent more than my ex-husband. I'm telling you guys. Some of them are intelligent. Some of them are more handsome. Some are more fatter. Some are more slim. More than him. Many times, So maybe in that kind of situation, you can even jam a man that is more better than your husband. The way he will talk to you, you will fall. You will say, wow, this is my match. Why did I marry this man? Through there, you fall a victim. You understand? So as a woman or as a man, before you get married, you need to know your match. Don't do unmatched, because when you people are different. The man are black, the man are this side, the woman are this side. It's going to be difficult. So that thing will make women to cheat as well. You understand? So number 5 is abuse. You understand? So that is what I'm going to talk about today. Wait till the woman really tell me. So let's go. So this abuse, I'm going to beg men all over the world today that is going to watch my video. Please, and my children and the children we have today, our boys, please don't beat your wife. Because beating your wife, abusing your wife will make your wife do things. Abuse make women to cheat as well. It's not their fault. I will explain to you how this woman will happen. So what really happened that night? This woman lives in my city, but she's not a Nigerian woman. So what really happened? So the woman is working in hotel. So she worked in hotel. So when she come back, he said her husband asked her to cook. And she said she cannot do the food, that she's tired. So she prepared the simple, easy food that for them to eat. You understand? So when the man come back, the man said, I don't want to eat this. I thought you to do the raffle for me. The woman said, I'm very tired. My hours today was too much. So I could not cook that food. Tomorrow, I'm not working. I will do the food that you asked me. The man start beating this woman. You understand? So when the man beat this woman now, he pushed the woman out. You understand? So when this man pushed this woman out, he locked the door. The woman could not shout because they don't want to call police. She understand? Because the woman said they have been fighting severally. You understand? And police always come. So the woman is afraid that so that police will not come again and take the children away from them. So the woman said, okay, please open the door. The woman was talking small. Please open the door. She don't want the neighbor to hear off. So the man said, you will not sleep this Saturday. Go and sleep at the park. So the woman calmed down. Said, okay. He said she go and sleep in the park. Let me go to my friend's house in Vendam. Most of you that live in my city, you know where it's called Vendam. Vendam is a tie road though. So there are many houses there. So our friend lived the other street. So our friend lived in the other street. Is after Vendam, you went to Rive de Cher. So our friend lived in Rive de Cher. So as she was going to, she had to pass Vendam to Rive de Cher. So as she was going, she met this her friend. Is a man friend. He said they grew up together because this woman was born here in this country in France. She was born here. She's a citizen. So as she was going, she met this guy and they greet. Long time. Where have you been? This was long time. You left this city. Yes, of course. I just came back. Where are you going? Look at your face. Her face was bringing blood because the man really injured her. She now said, I had a fight with my husband. I want to go to my girlfriend's house and pass the night because my husband did not allow me to sleep in the house. What happened? So she explained to this her friend because they grew up together. You people know now in Africa, although European and me, they're not going for abroad. In Africa. So when I was born in Africa, we have boys we grew up together. I've been up so me, I have boys in my area, we grew up together as we were born at the same time. So we grew up together, become friends, even go to school together. So it can happen to everybody. You understand? So she said, okay, as a friend. So the boy said, okay, enter the car, let me go and drop you in your friend's house. So she went there in that Rive de Cher. So she was ringing the bell. This her friend did not open the door. And you know us in Europe here. So if you did not call anybody that they are coming to your house, nobody will open the door for you. If you call somebody with a phone that you don't know the number, nobody will pick. So we all know that in Europe. That is so even Africa need to understand that. So when you call somebody that the number we don't understand, we don't pick. So when you come to my house and ring my bell, I don't expect you. I will not open the door. So the one was ringing the bell, calling a friend with a friend's number. They are not picking. So what the one will do? The one said, okay, my friend, be going. Let me go and look for somewhere to sleep. This my girlfriend is not picking her phone. You understand? So let me go outside. The man said, no, you cannot sleep outside. You're a woman. Let me take you to my house. So this man now carried this lady friend to her house. When they reached there now, because of those tears, those pain that the woman was passing through, something happened. So when something happened now that they start the thing. The woman said, all these years that he has been with this her husband, the way this her friend, is her friend though, he's not her boyfriend. She haven't dated this guy before. The way the thing happened, the thing happened unexpectedly. That she haven't feel this kind of way before in her life. What caused that is abuse. So that's why I said, men, stop beating your wife. Because through abuse, women can fall in victims. You understand? She did not expect it. That she would pass a night with that guy that day. The thing just happened like that. And that is how she continued. She did not stop. She said she was dating the guy, coded. But she was not sleeping with her husband again. You understand? Because she wanted to leave the marriage. Because the insult what the man has been doing to her is too much. You understand? So she wanted to leave. So till that day, the man catch two of them in that Vendam. You understand? So those of you that know Vendam live in my city, Vendam is a tie road. All bus pass there, even tram. You understand? Tram pass there to Davao to Tuno. You understand? So any car that pass there, they will see you. So as they were coming out, so her husband see the way, you know, if you see boyfriend and girlfriend, you understand. So the way the husband see two of them hold each other, the man called outside car, now they're coming for start. And the man now tell everybody in this city. So everything now move around. People were mocking the woman. So my friend, because my friend is a friend, my friend now tell me that look at what is happening to one of my girlfriend. So I said, okay, can I see this woman? So I went to see her, we went to the bar, I really asked her, please tell me the truth. And she really tell me everything. And when she tell me those things, I went for research. So those of you that still think that I'm not saying the truth, you can go for research. So when I go for research, what they say is true. All those things, women that cheat, is not their fault. Most time, I'm not saying it's all men. Some men are the reason why women are doing it. Because they are not giving their wife, giving their woman what their women need. Women are just like a baby. You understand? Anything you turn them, you need to be playing with them. If I'm at home and I don't play with my children, they will be annoyed. Even when I'm tired, I come up, I want to sleep. They will still come to my room and they want me to play with them. That is women for you. Women want talking. Women want communication. Women want love. Women don't want abuse. Because when you are abusing women are so weak. Yeah, we are so, I don't know how to describe it again. You understand? So when you beat a child now, she will be looking for somewhere. Like when I smack my children sometimes in the bum, maybe when they do, I'll just scream at them. They will go and beat my other brother. Uncle, my mommy beats me. My brother will pet them. But so that's how women be. So when you beat your wife, sometimes some women cannot go to their friends because they are friends. You know, women, they laugh each other. They go say, hey, not my name, see our marriage. So we women, now we mock our friends, we mock ourselves. You understand? So that one will make some women not to go to their friends. So women that have male friends, for example, the way I say yes, I say most of us that grow in Africa, we grow with boys, our area boys. We were born together, the same age. You understand? We grow together, we go to school together. So if maybe we are still in Nigeria, we can still see them and greet each other. You understand? So that kind of thing, you can fall a victim. So abuse make women to fall a victim, to make them to cheat as well. So number 6 is money. So the woman said the man don't give her money. So I'm going to tell you guys today, as a man, you must take off your wife. I always say it. Any man that don't take off his wife, the man is a failure. I am sorry to use that word, but I'm using this message to teach. I'm telling my children already. As a man, you need to work hard. If not your family first, nobody is taking. You understand? Many women have made those mistakes. Me too, I made that mistake before. You understand? Okay, now they say for yourself, me, I go to... No, they don't do that again. You understand? Any man that cannot take off his family, that cannot take off his children, that cannot take off his wife, that man is a failure. Because you as a man, if you cannot provide for your wife can cheat. You understand? I remember when I had my son. Mama Kev, if you are still there. You understand? When I had my son, we don't have money. The father of my son came from Africa. He don't get money again. He used all his money to buy tickets. I had my son, we don't have money to buy milk. You understand? You see where women, they saw follow men. We don't have money to buy milk. They think they pay me, but I will not cry. Mama Kevin was the one that gave me money to buy milk for my son. You understand? Even when there was no food in Europe, even when there was no food, I will go and carry food where they used to carry food for family to be okay. You see? So as a man, if you cannot take care of your wife, you understand? Not be all woman. Me, I bear because I don't want to do adultery. I don't want to cheat. You understand? That is why I was looking for a way. I know Mama Kevin is my friend. I said, Mama Kevin, borrow me money. My baby don't have milk. I don't know. I just have baby. I just give birth. Not milk for baby to drink. You understand? She give me that money to go and buy milk for my baby. The father don't have. But some women, because of that one, they can go outside and cheat. You understand? Mama Kevin was the one that gave me money to buy milk for my baby. I start going everywhere to carry food so that we can eat. So imagine some women, they cannot do that. I was not even thinking about clothes. I was not even thinking about maintenance. I was thinking of for me to take care of to be a strong woman so that we can eat, so that we can take care of the children together before God start blessing him. You understand? So there are many ways for women to cheat. If you are a man that you are not capable of taking care of your family and your children. You understand? So you as a man, you need to work hard. That I always tell my children, my boys, I have 3 boys. I tell them, I say you need to work hard. If you don't work hard, your wife will go do rubbish. I'm telling you. So you guys should stop blaming women when women go outside and cheat. Easy, go and look at it. You understand? Women that do it, but I don't say if you can hold yourself because me, I hold myself. I don't do one. Even when I don't get money, but I don't say I get friend when I feel ask. That's Mama Kevin. She was the one that borrowed me the money to buy me for my baby when my baby don't have food to eat. You understand? She borrowed me. So if you are a woman that you can hold yourself, that you can get a job or you can look for anywhere to take care of the family before your husband will be strong, do it. Please. I don't say you should fall. Don't fall if you can hold yourself. That's why I measure 2 types of women with a C. There are some women that is very strong. There are some women that is not strong. They are very weak. You understand? When they have problem, they believe that thing that of it get money. You understand? They believe for a matter that you are beautiful, they will just fall for you. You understand? So there are different type of women. Before I used to believe that if you match it, I was saying, "I useless woman. The woman don't hold herself." No, I don't say that again. Why I don't say it? It does not mean because me, I was a strong woman, I could not fall for that. That every woman was do the same the way I do. If I could hold myself, that I could not cheat because when I need money to take care of my baby, when my baby don't have milk to eat, when my children don't have food to eat, I could have gone outside and do things that I could have done. But I could not do that because I know who I am. Because I believe that God is my strength. You understand? So I hold myself. So it doesn't mean because I see another woman that do like this woman that do, I'll call the quarrel with her. No. She's different. We are the same, but we God created us. We are one, but we are different. That's how hearts be. So there are some women that have weak heart. Their heart is very weak. They fall for everything. So you understand? So that is money. As a man, you need to work hard to take care of family. You need to work hard. It's very, very important. Because when you cannot take care of your wife can do things. But not all women. As I said, that's why I use myself as an example. Not that I want to insult anybody. But because before I'm saying my own, before I'm saying things, I have to use myself as an example. You understand? That's what I experience. You understand? Mama Kevi is there. You understand? She's watching me. Anyway, maybe she's watching me or she's not there again. Yes, she was the one that borrowed me money. Those of you that know, you can go and ask her. Yes, she borrowed money to buy milk. Even to wash my baby clothes, I don't have. My neighbor was the one that gave me soap to wash my baby clothes. So I know the phone. So there were many opportunities for me to cheat on that man. Because me not fine lady. No man go see me go through a face. In no day. You understand? There was many opportunities for me to play games. But I am not like that. Because I don't say I be strong woman. I hold myself. But I don't go blame this woman. Because this woman fall for that. I will not blame her. Although the man not beat me one day. Oh, you understand? So money, it really matters a lot as a man. You need to hold yourself. You need to carry money. I tell my son, you need to work hard. Work hard very well. You need to travailler bien. So that you can work hard. I know it's not for you. You need to work hard. You understand? To plan your future. Plan good things. So that when you get married, your wife will not lack. Because what I believe in me, that if woman don't lack, the woman will not cheat. If you can give your wife all those things I'm just talking about, you give your wife all those things, the woman will not cheat. Because people say tradition. Yes, of course, we know we have tradition. We Nigerians or we black, we have tradition. I don't know about another country, but I know about we Nigerians. You understand? We Nigerians, we have culture. We have tradition. But our tradition should tell us for us to take off our wife. Our tradition should not tell us. Our tradition did not tell us that we should abandon our wife. We should make them a slave. That we should not take them for. We should not take care of them. Because when you as a man, you don't take care of your wife, you are not there as a husband. You are pushing your wife. Let's be realistic. You should stop telling those women that, hey, they're not good. No. Who are you to judge them? You don't have right to judge them because you're not the owner of their life. So when you as a man that you get married to a woman, you need to prepare. You need to play your rules very well as a man for you to hold your marriage. Marriage is not for only one person. But man, they won't say, woman, I get married. Me, I don't believe in that. Now, men get married too. Because many rules are played for a man. Women are not too patient. So there are many rules as a man that you need to play your marriage. So if you cannot play your rule very well as a man, your wife will go and cheat for you. And when you do rubbish, your shame go down your head. And today many men cannot take the women back because they love the woman, but they are ashamed to accept that woman. Who caused it? You are the one because you are not capable. So when you as a man, you are capable, you can do things to your wife still went outside and cheat. That is a problem. That woman needs deliverance. Sure you understand? So money really matters a lot, eh? Let me just tell you guys, women love money. Women love money. Not that they want to use the money to buy clothes. They want to buy a house. I mean, women love money to buy clothes, to buy long hair, to buy earrings, to buy jewelries, to buy makeup. Who they are doing it for? It's for their friends. They are doing competition with women like them to tell the woman that I find pass you. That is women for you. Women, any woman that says I don't love money, the woman is lying. Women love money. They are not using the money to buy a car. It's not like men that buy plots of land, that want to build a house, that want to do this. Yes, so no face. Thank you. Yes, so but Bobby, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Welcome, sir. You understand? So that is it. So if you don't have money, it's gonna be difficult. So women love money. Women love money. Women love money to maintain themselves. So it's not all women, no. So women, when their husband give them, they don't give them, they will still stay. You understand? That's why I use two women. With these two women, we see two type of women. So women are very weak. You understand? Any small thing, the husband don't have money, they believe is to go outside. So women, I have many friends like that. Yes, I met with them. You know, I really thank God when I separate with the father of my kids. You know, when I separate with him, I really met a lot of women. I'm going to share this story for you guys today. I'm not the shame put. Let me tell you guys. You understand? So when I separated with the father of my kids, you know, I was really happy that I thank God I was not with him before I separated. Because I met a lot of women, bad girls. Let me use that word. Guess that they're not Nigeria, so Nigeria is too cool. I'm telling you guys today. Nigerians are too cool. Nigeria are good. You understand? Nigerian women, they're good. If you go to another country, women, you go fear. I'm telling you what they are doing, eh? The kind of thing they will be telling you, say you go fear. So I really left for all those women, and I thank God I left for them because that is the experience, most experience I have today that I'm sharing for you guys. You know, I really left for them. I'm not judging them. Everybody get where they live your life. You understand? So even though I move with them, but I'm not supposed to do what they are doing. But I left for them. I see this what they are doing. After when I don't spy everything finish. I move. I go out. You understand? That is the kind of person I am. I can move with all friends. So even when I was in school, I move with bad friends, good friends. But when I don't sabi what I do, I'll come on because me, I know where for the come. Where I'm coming from is very far. So all those women now, they really tell me a lot of things. What men need to do to their women. What women supposed to do to their man? Some of them were married. I'm sorry, they play games. Some of them were not married. Some of them have boyfriend. They play games. You understand? But I didn't thank God that I was not in marriage, because if not, so there are a lot of things they tell me. I could have even asked the father, my ex, to be doing it for me, and I know he will not do it. And that will make me to even do things outside. Because women want to test everything. So we want to test everything. You understand? Women like to try things. Maybe they see new clothes. Now, this clothes, hey, I want to go buy them. Hey, this new hair, now this one they really, that is women for you. So you as a man, you need to have money. You understand? To do all those things. Because those women I met that time, their husband don't get money. They do rubbish. When they get proposed the 50 euros, they don't fall. I would just be laughing. I would just fold my hand and look there. You understand? When men propose the 500, 600, I would just be looking and say, God. So we Nigerians, we did good. You understand? We try. There are some things we don't do. I don't say we not see they okay, but sometimes some things they way all those people they do. We try. I'm not gonna lie. Some of them. You understand? So let me leave that. Money is very important, because money makes some women cheat. You understand? All those women that I met, many of them, they have husband, but because of their husband cannot provide for them, it made them to play games. It made them to cheat on their husband. You understand? It made them to cheat on their husband. They ask me, because I want to give my children food now. My husband don't give me food to eat. My husband don't give money to take care of my children. I will not let my children hungry. The way I said before, that me won't marry me, not see money to buy milk for my baby. You understand? You don't see money to buy milk. He come from Africa, he don't work for it, they don't pay him, money not there. So my girlfriend was the one that gave me money. Those of you that know, I go and ask her, not they lie. Mama Kevin, I give me money when I take baby for my baby. My last baby, so my baby is 4 years now. That's 4 years ago. That's why I love that woman so much. She was there for me when I not get. She will give me. You know, people know about France condition. If you get one baby, you don't get money like that. If you born one pikin, you know they say they pay you. They cost my money, they don't give me house already, not again. She was the one when I give birth, no money. So she was the one that even give me that money to buy baby food for my baby. They will start looking for food, even to wash baby clothes, nothing. So not all women. You understand? So it's not all women that will stay for that. So women don't stay. So women will stay. They will still be here. There are a lot of women over the world that their husband don't give money, but they are still in that marriage because they know they are, because they are strong. That's why I use two type of women that we don't need to. I don't need to judge this woman. She's a woman that is weak. Because the man beat her, she can't fall. Some women, they have when they beat them, but don't they fall. They will still go and sleep in my house. She not go sleep with that man. Yes, of course, there are women like that. You understand? They will not let him that to enter her head. But this one, I enter her head because of the way she be. You understand? So that is the money is very important. So number 7 is emotional abandonment. As a man, if you marry, you don't. So men they abandon their wife. Why did I say abandon? So men they like grooving. Every weekend, I see many. I see many. Me, you know, when you come be so single, you want to see many things. I see many things. Not that because I like to go because now it's my job. So that I will have things to say. You understand? All those things are my experience. So men they like enjoyment. Not be say their wife don't like it. Their wife like it, but they will abandon their wife at home. You understand? I abandon your wife. Like those days, our grandfather used to marry our mom. They will just leave there for house. They will go to this place, go everywhere. Maybe once in 3 months, they'll come and touch the woman. You understand? So if you are going there, you are going out, you don't pick your wife out. You understand? You want to go to, they invite you for marriage, you will not carry your wife. They invite you for birthday, you will not carry your wife, you carry you go with your friends. You want to go and drink anything in the bar, you go alone, or you go with your friends. So you start making this woman to stay at home. So the woman that go enter Facebook. Facebook don't cause trouble for this world. Many women told me, I coach many women. They told me that, my sister, I have a friend that dated the man for 9. They were together for 9 years. 9 years of marriage. What happened? This girl, he said when she married, the man just abandoned this woman. You understand? They are black French. So this man will go to one bar. I don't want to call the bar name in my city here. The man will go and smoke shisha. He will smoke shisha. He will drink, with his friends. And this woman too will like that kind of life. You understand? So when this woman began to enter line, when you see her friends, they are with her husband in that bar. So women go to that bar, not that they smoke the thing, they don't smoke or they don't do all those, they don't drink. They can drink small start or anything or more. There are a lot of things in his bar. You can drink anything you want to drink. You understand? So many women go with their husband, and when they go there, they have fun. They will put the picture in Facebook, all those kinds of things. That's say Facebook don't cause trouble. And so go out on that place, have fun with their husband. They will put it in Facebook. This woman not go anywhere. And this woman has been a woman that she like life. She's a lively woman. She like life. But since he married this man just cut this woman off. So me and we just want to help men now. As a man, if you marry, your wife like life, don't cut her off. Even though it's not severally again, but always make her happy. Don't abandon her. Don't take those things away from her. Leave her at home. You go and enjoy yourself. You leave your wife. What are you looking for? You are married already. Let your wife follow you. Because emotional abandonment can make a woman to cheat as well. So this woman that was in Facebook, he began to chat with his friends. Facebook matters. Some men don't care whether you are married. That is true. Some men don't care. If you are married or not married, they will still say hello to you. So if you are a married woman, you fall for it, and you know you fall put. You understand? If you're a married woman that you know yourself, you will not fall. So that's why when I was with my ex, if the day I was married, if man even say hello, I don't even answer them. You understand? Because they will start telling you things that the man don't even tell you at home. I'm telling you guys. So this lady now, because it's been long time that her husband tell her things. You understand? So she was chatting on the Facebook with this guy. This guy was telling her, where are you? Where are you? He said, I'm fine. You don't go out. Today is weekend. He said, no, she don't go out. My husband don't take me out. She was complaining for this guy. So this guy now said, okay, do you want me to take you out? I will come one day and take you as a friend. You know, we women now, our brains sometimes on one side. Excuse me. So you know, we women, our head is one side. She now said, okay, as a friend. So this guy take this woman out. They went to a restaurant. They really have fun. He told her husband that she's going out. She not tell her husband that she's going out with a guy, with a friend. She said she met a friend in Facebook. They are going somewhere. You understand? So this guy, this woman and this man, they went out. They really have fun. So from there they went to a hotel. Something happened. So when something happened, when this woman come back, he can't change. You understand? So this woman changed. So many things I've experienced. I've seen many things like this. Many women that I coach, they really tell me. So something happened now. And the woman changed. The woman break up 9 years relationship with one child. She's separate. She don't want again. She don't want again. She said because she has been with this man for 9 years. This man will just turn her for back like this. He don't finish. No romance, no love, nothing. And he abandoned me at home. He don't treat me like a wife. So you as a man that you don't want your wife to cheat on you, you need to give her, you need to take care of her. You need to love her. You need to appreciate her. There are a lot of things that you need to do as a man. We should stop. We tradition tell us that our adultery is bad. But we need to still obey our tradition that is said that we should take care of our wife. Because when you give your wife your love, you give her a respect, you appreciate her. I don't believe your wife will do all those things to you. You understand? So this man, what I'm talking about this message, the man is what really caused this problem is that abuse. The man beat this woman. You see the woman's face, there were a lot of blood. And she even still have those mark on her face. You understand? How can you use a bet on your wife? Beat her. You must injure her eyes. So you understand? But the woman said she want to quit, she will not even marry again. So the man can say anything. But I'm just sharing this story. You understand? Because I'll be looking for this opportunity for me to really talk about it. Why women are cheating. You understand? Sometimes the fault comes from men. And that's why I stay for the beginning. Those of you that is coming, I start as the beginning. That I was having a lot of time for me to. I was having a time long as in I have a lot of time as in a lot of chance to cheat when my ex was not there. He worked in Nigeria. He was in Africa he worked with the local government. You know, 6 months. I have time to do it if I want to do it. So sometimes a man, you don't need to leave your wife for 6 months. But I'm coming for that. You understand? So emotional abandonment is very bad. Don't abandon your wife. You understand? If you are a man that like life, carry your wife follow body. Wanna go and journal together, nothing they do one. When you finish, carry your wife enter house. That is just it. Don't abandon her. Don't leave her at home. Let her feel say na mama, na she don't born. Even your wife get 30 children, no matter. You can still make her be a fine girl. You understand? You can make her be a sweet. That woman they find. Let me just tell you. You know, if you can treat your wife, even don't care that she have baby. Treat her that she's still a babe. She's still a young girl you carry that time. You understand? So it will make your relationship sweet. Because when you start treating your wife like a queen, like a princess, like a small girl, you understand? You say they treat her like that kind of baby she be. That woman will still, she will still be falling for you. But when you start treating like old woman, another man for outside began to tell her certain things. She go pull here, she go fall. She will pull here, she will fall for you. She will fall for that guy. Yeah, and when she fall for that guy, you don't go. And it's difficult for when a woman don't cheat, they don't want to come back again because that's the way she they find. You know they give her. You understand? It's very simple. So we don't need to crack our head. But I'm coming for women. You understand? I'm coming for women. It's not finished. I will explain later. So number 8 is time. As a man, because time really matters a lot in the relationship or even your marriage. We know that men work. Even though man they work, but when it's weekend like Friday, you need to plan what you're going to do with your wife. I always say that. You understand? You need to plan. You don't even work Monday to Friday. No, that Saturday, you don't need to go and be seeing your friends. That Saturday is your wife and your children. If you have kids. If you don't have kids, that Friday, Saturday is for your wife. You understand? Because it paid me a lot. Some women, so maybe we work Monday to Friday. That's Saturday for him to stay with his wife. He go say carry back, go and be greeting her sister. Who cares about your sisters? You understand? That Monday, Friday you work. That Saturday is time for you and your wife to play love. You understand? Because when you don't have time for your wife, it they make women say they cheat. Because women, they need time for they want their man to spend time with them. So when you cannot give your wife time, the woman will be searching for another place where you go see who go take care of her, who go take care of her. Many women that cheat, they always say that the man don't have time for me. He always travel. He don't do this to me. He don't take care of me. That's why. But if you are a woman or you can hold yourself, please hold yourself. Don't do it. You understand? That's why I mentioned 2 types of women with the C. So if you are a woman that you are very strong, you can hold yourself. But I will tell you what you are going to do. You understand? Okay. So number 9 is sexuality incompatible. This one is very strong. Let me clap for that. Sexually incompatible. Hey, this one they cause trouble. This one will talk about this. So that's why I went for research. Sexually incompatible really matters a lot in the relationship. That's why as a man, before you even marry, you need to work on yourself. You need to be strong. You need to strong and know the kind of class woman you want to carry. Because some men today they made that mistake. This sexuality incompatible, it make women to cheat as well. You understand? It make women to cheat because when you marry a woman, let me just start from the beginning. When you are dating again in the relationship now, some women like this thing very well. So you are a man and you don't like it very well. You understand? Because I will call the number. They are number 3. They are number 2. I will not put 1 because 1 is very small. No, you are a man of number 3. You want to go and marry a woman of number 6. It go hard. How are you going to do it? So you are a man, you're number 3. You need to carry number 2 woman. Woman will still low small. Because in case if you travel, the woman can still hold herself. Because I have a friend that tell me that 4 weeks make 1 month. He said that 4 weeks make 1 month. 3 weeks for inside. Me and my husband, we enjoy ourselves. We remove only 1 week. That 1 week is when I have my time, when I'm on red. Imagine that you want to go and marry a woman that like love this kind of thing like that. That 3 times, as in 4 weeks make 1 month. 3 weeks for inside have to do. You remove only 1 week. So you are a man that don't like it. So how is it going to look like? So when you are not there, who is going to help this woman? That woman go play game. He go cheat. She tell me that she cannot stay. You understand? That woman is going to cheat on you. So though sometimes this is sexually incompatible, it really matters a lot. So before you marry a woman, you need to know, say this woman you go feel and Doran. If you are a man that like this thing like sugar, so you need to marry a woman where you like her like you. When you can wake up in the midnight, people can do it in 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning, or 10 o'clock in the morning. Because when you marry a woman, you are a man that like it, the woman don't like it, it's a problem. Because people are not compatible. You understand? So people are not, that is a problem. That's why many women are cheating. So I mean, I'm coming for those women. I will still explain why they are doing it. So you as a woman that you want to marry, you love the thing, you need to marry a man that can hold you. You need to marry a man that can handle you. So that will make you not to cheat. You understand? That will make you not to cheat. Because if you have a man that can handle you very well, I don't believe you will go outside and cheat. Because when your man cannot give you what you want, it makes you to go outside. Because I have friends that time when they see a guy, they will just be falling for men. Hey, this guy is very tall. This guy is big. Then they will be saying this. I'll say, how do you people know that this thing is this? And they say, no, even the height alone, you know. And these ladies, they have men at home. You understand? So I said, okay. So I really say all those things. That's why I write them. So I believe, because my grandma used to say that, I don't know how to speak the Benisha. He said, what you have, if you are not contented for what you have, as in, if you don't, what do you get if you don't like him? Now, thief for the say that person. I don't know if I put it well. You understand? So if you have a man that the man you are dating, you don't like, you don't appreciate him. Meaning you have there another one. Meaning you are not contented for what you get. Meaning that person that you are with, you are not okay with it. So you are the another one where they give her, another one be your class. So many of my friends that they will trip for men, and they have men at home. I'll be looking at them. So I really find that's why when this man tell me, I began to raise all those things and write it down. Why women are cheating? Because they are not contented for what they get for house. So when they are looking at this guy is big, is huge, is this, because that man cannot give them. The man they are dating at home cannot give them. And many are married, but they are crying. But they don't want to go because they are ashamed for them to go. Not that they are going to cheat, but they're just falling for another man. You understand? And that kind of thing is not good. One day go fall victim. Many women don't fall victim. People they say the husband don't know. Many women fall victim. They do one, but the husband don't know. They just say, God forgive me. God will just say forgive them. But they will not do it again. Many women are fall victim. So that's why this message go for my young one that is coming up. I'm going to tell you what to do as a young lady. Because many people don't live on this thing already. But this advice will go for if you are a single lady or you have divorced, you want to get married again, or you want to date a guy again. I will tell you what to do. You understand? Because this thing go for choice. Before you marry or before you date a guy, you need to know the kind of man. You need to carry your man that is as in they your class. That two of you will be sexually incompatible. Now they together. Because sexually incompatible, they cause trouble. You understand? Because that sex matters a lot in the relationship, in the marriage. That's it. They make many women they go outside. So you are a woman that you like a grande. You want to go and carry piccolo. Hey, you don't enter wahala. So who will do the grande for you? So that is like that. So there are many things that we know of that will make us not to do it. But we still put our head. But we know say this is not good for us. That we will call it get a double mind tomorrow. But we still. So that's why we don't listen to our hearts. That's why we are still making mistakes in our life today. There are many ways not to cheat. And there are many ways to avoid it. You understand? So that is it. So this sex really matters a lot. Okay? Number 10 is go out together. So when you are going out as a man, you need to carry your wife follow body. You understand? Go out. If you are going out, take your wife out. Let her feel like she's a princess. Treat her like a woman that she is. Leave her say she get pikin. Who get pikin not be saying and waiting? Make her feel happy. Make her feel that she's the best woman in the world. Let her feel say she still be 16 years. Women like me, man, they carry them like baby. Let your wife be your first priority. If you are going out, hold her hand. People say, hold the bag for her. Make her feel that she's special. When you can do that for your wife, you take her out. Where all those 18 years ago, you carry a wife, go there. The woman will be happy. The woman will appreciate you. It will be, even though say, man, they toast her, she not go mind her because you know, say, what did that mama tell her? You they tell her every day. And don't forget to always open your mouth and tell your wife that I love you. It's very important because when you stop telling your wife that you love her, the day another man will tell her, say, love her. So women, I tell you, say, I love you, you are beautiful, they will fall. I have seen many men who tell me you are beautiful. I don't say I found already. Even though God don't create me already. I'm a beautiful woman. So not that one will tell me say I'm beautiful. Go make me stand for you. They listen to your what you want tell me, want toast me. I don't go green. So women they go stand because they say you are beautiful. So that's why I use two type of women they see. All women are not the same. There are some women that is strong. They don't listen to anything. There are some women that is feeble, that is weak. You understand? They listen. They are very weak. If a man they thought they don't they fall already. So that is why some women are still cheating. They are falling into this cheating matter. You understand? Number 11 is style. You understand? So as a man, hello, yeah. As a man, you need to get style. Because this one really matters a lot. You understand? Small things that... Yes, so thank you, but thank you, sir. Yes, yeah. But Bobby, thank you. Yeah, small things. Yes, you can still do the comment because there is one my big bros that is writing there, so people can still listen because yes, of course, it's still helping me. So you guys should help. You guys should write things. If you still know that you still have things that make women to cheat, that men should do for their women, that will make women not to be cheating. People should still drop your comments. You understand? It's going to help women out there that is going to still watch it. You understand? Look at the way my bros is just writing now. But Bobby, you understand? He's writing something there. So you should still, if you have anything, write your own. You understand? So that who is going to watch it will still help them. It will still help the men. It will still help the women because we need to help them. You understand? So this one, it go for our children that is coming up too. So that when they get married, they know what to do to their wife. Little things. Women don't need big things, as I said before. You understand? But women need little things that will make them not to look outside. Because when you start, you don't give your wife that thing that you need to give her. Am I going to judge her? She want to play games. And when she have bad friends, the way I said before, and I move with bad friends that will even push you for marriage. You know, I thank God I was not in marriage again. You understand? But I thank God I even left from there. I know many things. And today, it really helped me to share for people. You understand? So that is it. So if you move with bad friends, I will tell you things, do this one. I said they do more. I will not give you. So you can even leave your marriage. You understand? So that's why you as a woman need to be careful. If you are married, the kind of friend that you move with. There are some women that is married, they move with wrong friends, they make them to cheat. You understand? So that is that. So as a man, level, you need to have style. Style really matters a lot. You don't need to buy Gucci or those marker, but as a man, you need to get style. You need to get swag. Because women love man with the dress. You understand? It does not matter the kind of station that you have. Important you wear good clothes. You look when you wear your clothes, you look okay. So women they look dressing. You as a man that you have a wife that you don't wear better clothes. You go wear baggages of 10 years ago or 15 years ago. Those one where they put 10 people for inside. It go hard. So you as a man, when your wife go see Italian guys when they wear tight jeans, you know Italian guys now, Italian get better clothes. Italian made. So when they say that Italian men, when they wear tight jeans, silly fit jeans, so when they tight. So your wife had go day. So women love dressing. You understand? Women want their men to look good. Look good, Daniel. You understand? So women love men that have good clothes, that dress, that look handsome. So if you want to cut your hair, cut it. If you want to do rough coil, do rough coil. If you want to carry dread. If you want to after all they rain again. I know that they say they do more. All those kind of hair where they make sense. Don't they do those one again? You don't go look sexy for your wife or for your babe. So you need to look sweet as a man. You need to dare. You get some men when you go see today. If you see that the way the man will take fine, you say go they look, they say, how? Wow, I like this man trouser. I need to buy for my husband. I need to buy for my boyfriend. You know? So because you know say the man they okay. So you as a man, you need to be okay. You need to dress for your wife. You need to look sweet. But if your man don't know it, you as a woman, you know it, you need to dress. Ma copine. Bientôt, j'arrive. Je vais parler. You understand? So you as a man, if you know that your man don't know it, if you can help him, Help him. Go to the market, the store or market, buy clothes for your husband. Make him become that taste where you want for him to be. But when you don't teach, tell us may continue like that, may not stop. You understand? So man need to be, you need to have style. Style matters a lot. You understand? So pastor, they spray hair these days. You know me. Me, I not believe on say God they look what you do for head, what you wear, where if you carry dress, God not go answer your prayer. Me, for me, oh, I don't say everybody, me, I don't believe in that. Me, I believe God. I believe heart. If your heart is clean and you take God as your first thing in your life, and you really worship this God with truth, with good mind, with truth and everything, God will answer your prayer and will always be there for you. Me, I don't believe in clothes. I don't believe in all those hair. I don't believe in all those things that we do that make God to judge us. That is me. I'm saying my own. No, I'm not saying everybody. So if you as a man that you look hot for your wife, not be bad thing you do. Now waiting me talk or me, not be that. You understand? You can look hot for your wife. Do things that will make your wife even look crazy. You understand? Don't go and bring 1980 things. Come and be doing this in your relationship. You need to bring new things. This time is 2019. You need to bring new style. You need to bring new things to make your wife head the hot. You understand? There are some. If I see some relationship, me I dey jealous them. You understand? They have been long. They say behave like say they just start the relationship, and the children they have grown up. You understand? They are still behaving that they are where 18 years go now they'll go see and enjoy themselves. The thing that is the man has style, the woman has style. So it's very important for a man for you to have style, because if you don't have style, it can make your wife to cheat on you. You understand? Number 12 is apart. When you travel, Oga, please always the quick come back. Because some men they travel this day, the way I said before, they go leave their wife for 6 months. They will leave her for 1 year. They will leave her for 2 years. Not be all women feel they hold their self. So women can hold their self. The way I said before that I thank God that I did not do it. If you don't say it, if you talk and we are saying, okay, now because of that one made me leave my mind, but I thank God that was not the reason why I leave. You understand? So that is it. You understand? So some men say they will leave their wife for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. They will not go and see. Mostly these men that marry in Africa, they live in Europe. You understand? You are here enjoying. You leave your wife in Africa for 3 years, 2 years. You will not go and see her. It's not good. You understand? So it's better. It's good for you to see your wife regular, because if your wife cheats on you and do abomination, you'll be shouting that she do abomination. After you leave a woman for 2 years, 3 years, you don't go and see her. You don't go and touch her. So you say me you do the work for her. You understand? Aboliki not the work. Or total not the work. You understand? It takes the grace of God and the kind of woman that you marry. You understand? But they say never say never, because everybody can fall a victim. You understand? So I never say never. Say I'm not gonna like do one. You feel for put. You understand? Everybody can fall, but we pray that God should keep us. God should not make us to fall in that victim, to bring that shame to our life. You understand? So you as a man, you need to, if you travel, you need to try and go fast and see your wife. If you live in the city where your wife is, you want to work, for example, in Paris, don't stay long for 2 months or 3 weeks. Always come, even though once in a week. Always come and pass weekend with your wife and go back. That will still carry out for a long time. You understand? Because this sex of a thing, they cause trouble. And this time and communication, even though you are at work, always try and test your wife. Hello, baby, how are you? Have you eaten? Let her know that yes, my man is there. Because sometimes we women, our brain not they work. Sometimes we they forget say we get man. I'm telling you, sometimes they forget say if you not test us, we not going to even think about him. But when you say, you say, oh God, my man is there. You understand? So we they forget some things sometimes, because we have a lot of things in our mind. We talk about what to buy long hair. We talk about what to buy the latest shoe when they rain. Many things. So as a man, you need to always make your wife busy. You understand? To occupy her mind. You understand? Occupy her mind. So you need to make her busy, so that she will be taking all those things away, negative things away from her. Because this might me too. Sometimes I can see that we don't be talking. I will be taking negative things in my heart. I'm telling you the truth. I know they lie. You understand? I will just say, I could have done like this. I'm just saying things. I will say, shut up. I will say to myself, shut up your mouth. I will need to insert that spirit in me. That is it. So we have two minds. Let me just tell you the truth. Some mind is good. Some mind is not good. Some mind are evil. You understand? It will tell you to say evil things. I will just be saying it, but I want to kill somebody. I will just be saying things that I love to do if I have the chance. But later the team will say, hey, do it now. I will say, shut up. I will say to myself, shut up. That is women for you. That is the kind of mind that some women fall victim to cheat. You understand? Because me, I experience it a lot. You understand? So that is that. So, okay, when you are apart, please try and come back so fast. Okay, now let's go. Number one, my really topic now for the women, as in to finalize everything now. This my message now go for young ones. This message go for if you are a woman that you have separated, you are not with your man again, okay? Or you are looking for, you want to date a new boyfriend that will lead you to marriage, because through dating they go for marriage. I'm going to tell you things today that you will keep for yourself. That when you are dating a guy, that you still feel for another guy, meaning that boy not be your home. Okay, so listen, I write it because I cannot say. Let me read it. I said, how to know if you are going to cheat in your relationship? When you look at another guy and feel that is attractive. Okay, that is a problem already. You are not contented with your relationship. Okay, so why did I say that? Because the way I said it, for my friends, I move with women. Okay, I move with a lot of women out there. So these women out there, some of them, when they have boyfriend at home, they have men, they are in a relationship. But when they see another guy, they'll be falling for another guy. You understand? You as a woman, you have a man that you say you love, and you see another guy, you will say this guy is sexy, this guy is attractive. Many say the guy with there has you not be your own. It's not the kind of your man, because when you have a man that you really love, you will not look at another one. I'm coming for us, might not be my number 2. So I said my number 2, I say if you have a man that you love and a man of your choice, you will not fall for another man, and you will not see another man attraction. That is it. It's very simple. This cheating of a thing is very simple. So me, I challenge women today. Young ladies, you are single, our children is coming up, and the young ones separate, you are going for a relationship. When you are dating a guy, what is going to make you not to cheat as a woman? When you are dating a guy, and this guy you are dating, when you see another man, you still like another man. Not that you cannot see a man dress, that, hey, this guy dress is very fine. That one is different. But when you see another man, you are falling. You know what you be falling? I say, hey, you are just falling. You are screaming, as in you are doing things that you're not supposed to do. You understand? You are doing things that that man is not for you. That relationship that you are into is not for you. Because when you marry that kind of man, God forbid one day something happen, you are going to cheat. You understand? Because that man that you are dating is not your ideal man. The one you are stripping for, that is the kind of man that you need to go for. Like some guys now, they love tall guys. They will go and marry a short man. You understand? So when they not see tall guy, they will be tripping. Because wait till you get no belly for you will not reach your high. My grandmother say, I didn't speak the Benin. As in wait till you get the day okay for you. So wait till you get, if you not day okay for you, meaning say you will go take another person home. You understand? That's why. So I want to share this for you women today. So if you are dating a guy, that the guy you really love, if you love this guy and the guy is your choice, that's why I always say go for your choice. Carry your book and paper. Write the kind of man you want. May have made mistake in my life. You understand? Okay, that's not what I wanted in my life, that I should get married and separate. No, I don't pray that for anybody. I don't even pray that for my children. That's why I decided to do this for the benefit of my children. For me, even though I cannot tell them today, for them to watch it and follow it up. You understand? Because I would want them to have a better life. You understand? Not the kind of life that I live. You understand? But I'm not ashamed of it, but it happened. It can happen to everybody. Nobody's perfect. You understand? But I don't like it. So now I learn my mistake. If I want to go for another man now, I know the kind of choice that I will make. You understand? So I really go for that choice. That choice matters a lot as a woman. You understand? Don't miss it. If you love tall guy, carry your book and paper, write it. Even though you are dating a guy that is not that kind, many women get height. They say they want a man of 70 tall, 80 tall, 90 tall. Depends on the kind of height man you want. So if you not see a man, we're not too tall, we're not that kind of height, and you don't manage him. I'm telling you, don't manage him. You can date him because you want to enjoy first. Just date him. When he comes for marriage, don't marry him. I'm telling you, don't marry him because you are going to do things tomorrow. Something may push you to do it. It's very simple. So we need to understand the kind of things that we need to avoid, that will make us not to do things that we'll be regretting tomorrow, that will bring shame to our life. You understand? It's very simple. Okay? You understand? So if you are a woman that like man at all, if you don't see that tall man where they find that kind of height, no marry. No, just not follow. If you date, because if you date, you will cheat. Wait till concern anybody. But when you don't marry, you can't go do abomination. A very shameful thing. You understand? People go they laugh you. People go they mock you. But no, some people go understand it's a mistake. You understand? But me now, I'm just trying to help our people, to help women, to help the young ones that is coming up. That waiting will not make you to cheat. Okay? So you need to know the kind of man that you are going for. If you like a man that can handle you, the way I said before that my friend said, 4 weeks make 1 month. They do it for 3 weeks. 3 weeks. They remove only 1 week for inside because she's in period. So if you're that kind of woman, you need to look for that kind of man where they craze like that, when you go feel handle it for that 3 weeks. If not so, it's going to be a problem. That is it, Sister Esther. Yes, of course. So it's going to be a problem. Me, I love dancing. I thank God said the father of my kids, he like dancing too. Because that one with they date, when they go club, he know me. And me, I love all those short things, attract. Not that I'm doing it to attract any man. I am like that. Even when I was in Africa, I love short things. I like to dress sexy. Not that I want to take a man. If I will wear it, he said, if you want to talk to me, go talk to me. So me, I love those sexy things when I was small. You understand? I'm a woman that is very big. When I was 10 years, even my brothers, friends, they want to talk to me. My brother would say, hey, don't toast her, she's 10 years. But I'm a woman that is very big. I'm very big in my body. So when you see me, you give me big age. But I never reached that time. So I love sexy things. So in like club, now make us even reach that 7 years of marriage. If not so, we're not going to reach. We're not talking about divorce. You understand? So he like clubbing like me. You understand? So when we not have children, they come many, but he can't abandon me one time. But he really pay me. You understand that he abandoned me? He don't make me to feel that kind of woman that I used to be. You understand? Those things say they kill marriage. You understand? I feel those things. When this man explained to me, I feel her pain. So I will not come here and share this thing. So men too, they cause women, men too, they are the cause that lead women to cheat. You understand? But it doesn't mean that if you can hold yourself as a woman, please hold yourself. Okay? But if you cannot hold yourself that you cannot continue again, let the man understand that. Talk to him. Baby, I don't like it again. I don't like this. I want to be enjoying my life the way we used to do it. If the man can change, maybe he will change. You put continue. But if he cannot change, you put in prayer. Then this all the rest, you leave the rest of God. So you know what to do. You understand? Because women cannot be married and stay at home. Be take care of baby. They don't feel that life they used to be again. What happen? How many years will they live for this life? We know if you enjoy. This life is very sweet. With 20-year-old, you can enjoy your life. I'm telling you, with your husband. Okay? Have fun. So please, men, don't be leaving your wife at home. You understand? Women don't need to buy her a lot of things. But those small treats you treat her, even those in Madonna's, all those bar, carry her to a cafe bar, you should drink one better cup, one better this thing, without no alcohol. If you don't drink, you are Christian. All those small juice that they will put fruit, all those things. Drink it, enjoy yourself. Take your wife home. You understand? Even though you don't have a visitor, you just go to stroll in. Maybe today weekend now, like in France now, there are a lot of parks they play music because it's summer. So just take it. People should go and stroll a little bit. Or your wife, people should do small live video. Make all those things. You go make your wife this. You go make better the sweet time. So when your wife see her friends in Facebook, they are doing that. She go still put her home. You understand? She will still put her home on Facebook. Me and my husband, we went to enjoy last week. You understand? We enjoyed last week. Look at my home. But when you as a man, you don't do this to your wife they see her friend though. And your wife go they jealous. So that's why you see today, many women say they sleep with their friend's husband. Because they want to enjoy what their friends are enjoying. It's the same thing, but because of that life, that thing when the man they do to our wife, your wife want to enjoy it too. So men, you need to wake up. You understand? So please, I don't want to judge anybody, but this message does not go for say men are bad. But I just want men to understand that the rules and regulations they need to play in their marriage that will make women not to cheat. Because it's very simple. You understand? So if you can do all those things to your wife still go outside and cheat, it's going to be difficult. You know what to do. You understand? So you ladies, if you are out there, you have this problem already in your relationship that you cannot tell anybody. If you have a pastor, you can call your pastor. If you have your family member, call your husband family. Talk to them. Look at what you are passing through that you are not happy. Look at what your husband is denying you for things that you love as a woman to do. You understand? So if they can help you, no problem. First of all, talk to your husband first. Don't shout. Plead with him. Let him understand your pain. You understand? Because as a woman, before a woman they do all those things, they talk to their husband. The man don't want change. You understand? So you try and talk to your husband. Make him understand that my husband, I like to enjoy like this. I want us to be going out once in a week to be enjoying. I want us to have life. We cannot be living man and woman inside the house like say nothing they happen for outside. Me, I don't want to live that kind of life again. So let your husband understand. Okay? Because we women, we need life. You understand? Many women not get. I don't go lie for you. Many women not get. When you sit there, you will see that thing in their body. They are not happy. You understand? They believe when you enter marriage, marriage is sweet. Marriage is very sweet. Let me tell you the truth. Marriage is sweet when you marry the right person. The man that know your value. Marriage is sweet when you marry the right person. Marriage is beautiful when you marry a man that know your value. A man that can handle you the way you want. You understand? Marriage is very sweet. It's very precious when you go for the right person. But when you marry the wrong person, my dear, I'm telling you, marriage is like is on a horror film. The man that will bring horror, that will bring nightmare to your life. Even when you want job first, the way I talk, say even though you go break leg, you don't care. So that's why some women they jump, they go run. They say, I'm not fit again, I cannot die in this marriage. You understand? So that is marriage for you. So that's why that's why I call it bad choice. Go for a man of your choice. And you need to understand this man. Let this man know, say, see what I like. You understand? So this unmatched expectation. Not let that happen to you. So you and your man, for you to have good relationship, for you not to go outside and cheat, you guys need to have the same thing together. You understand? So it's very simple. So if we can follow all those things, I don't believe that those things will be happening to us. You understand? Because many women that cheat today, they have reason why they are doing it. Some of the shame only they talk come out. But because this woman really confided in me, she tell me, and I told her I'm going to share it in my program. She said no problem, share it. I did not call her name. Now nobody know her. Some people that know that know of her. You understand? I know what happened that day. You understand? So that is it. So as a woman, please be wise. So if you are in a new relationship that you want to date a guy, go for a guy that you go dey okay for. The guy that will dey belle for your high. The guy will dey belle for you. If you see the guy say you go dey happy. Even though say guy they toast you, you no go look back. You feel say hello, you look and say this one. What you feel give me? My guy dey house, he dey try. He better pass yourself. Now that kind of man, I good for you. You understand? So that kind of man, you don't go cheat. And if you want to date a man, don't go because of say he get money. Because let me just tell you one story now. Because when a man have money, he cannot give you that access. You will still go and cheat. Because money not go feel hold that thing. You will even use the man money go and pay for it. So it's better for you to marry a man when you get money, when he go feel give you the thing. You understand? A man that can satisfy you that don't have money. So you both can be managing, but you know that the man is giving you something that make you happy. Because this sexuality thing, it matters a lot in marriage. Because many women that I know of, they really complain it. They complain it. You understand? But as a man, some men they quit, they drop. But that one, there are still some medicine that you can take. Go and see your doctor. You understand? Because you as a man, that you come for 1 minute, and your woman herself, she stay long. She never come already. That's the problem. So if you are that kind of man, for example, because that's they make women they cheat. I have a friend that tell me that my man don't stay long. So that's why I have a boyfriend outside. I said, but it's not good. But you can help him now. He said he don't want to help himself. They're not Nigerians. Nigeria, they fear tradition. So I'm surprised that when I hear on YouTube that say women go, Nigeria women go, they cheat. I didn't think they fear me. Because Nigerian when they respect their tradition somehow. You understand? And tradition too, it matters a lot. We know about our tradition. We are afraid to jump the tradition. That makes us they follow. So if you know, so you just tire, so if you just pass your own way. You understand? And go do abomination, bring shame to your marriage and your family. You understand? So this lady tell me that the man don't want to help himself. So as a man, if that thing they happen to you, because I have friends that complain that. They are not Nigerians, they complain. Hey, they quit, they come. That's why I want to play outside. That's why, but I'm not going to, I don't love you. I wish one be don't love her. You understand? So that one's not a problem. So if you are a man, you have that kind of thing, go and see your daughter. And do exercise. There are some doctors, you go and meet your doctor, will give you some medication. That medication, I don't think you can buy it in any way. I think it's only doctor that will write it for you. It will tell you how to take it. It will make it to stay long somehow. So that you can help your wife. You understand? So that your wife will not go outside. Because there are things that you need to do. So this marriage of 18 is for two. Is you. Men, you need to work for it. Women need to work for it. So that people can be okay. Because if you have this weak point, this sexual incompatible, that you don't know how to do it very well, you don't stay long too, is a problem for your wife. Your wife can go outside and cheat. And their exercise, if you know you have time, go and register in gym. Even the exercise self go make you stay long. You understand? You take the medicine, you do exercise, it will give you strength more for you to stay long. Because women, some women don't care. Some women they don't care. Even though you come 1 minute, they don't care. But some women care. You understand? Because if you don't see a woman like the thing, say you want to come for 1 minute, you want me to woman go outside. You understand? Some women will be doing it, but we will not tell you. So for you to save your marriage, for your wife not to bring shame to your life, so you need to walk to your body. I'm telling you, you need to try and walk in your body. There are some medicine you can take. Go and meet doctors. Because I have friends. I went to my friend. I said, I don't like this thing you are doing. It. Stop it. She said, well, I said, come, let's go and meet my daughter. We went to meet my daughter. I explained my daughter. Look at her husband. Look at her. He said, okay, go and bring your husband. So our husband went to see my daughter. My daughter gave the man medication, and everything was fine. And my friend stopped doing that. And I was very happy. I was very happy with her. You understand? Because when you have friends, I'm not a perfect person, but when I'm with friends, I will show you the best. I will tell you what's good for me. I will tell you. I will not give you things that is bad. Even if I say do some, they will say I told no pass. But I don't know pass. Now what I know now they tell you say if you still do like this, it will still work for you. But I just say have friend that beat me job my good. Man, they beat her and they do a rubbish, they shit for your head. I was telling this girl, my lady is not like that. She's my friend though. But she's not Nigerian. But they say pay me. Because she went to sell me at the back. You understand? I tell her it's not like that. Don't do this, don't let man use you like this. Even though you have 6 kids, it does not mean because you are dating a guy, you not feel that I not get hope again. Who tell you say you not get hope? Me, I have 4 kids. I cannot let a man to use me, even though I am separate. No man go feel use my head. I know they green. That one of those days. Now when I ever forget 4 kids, I'm not even wise pass. I'm telling you the truth. I was telling her that look at what is working for me. Do it like this. This woman say come on, go tell the boyfriend. Say see what I tell him. You understand? So the thing really, the boy that call me and tell me, look at what your friends say. I said, no. The way you were doing this girl, I said, I don't like it. That's why I just try to encourage her, to tell her that this thing, that you should give you time. So that you to go and reason. Maybe you are not interested about this lady. The boy now say, I understand, bless you, you are a strong woman. I know that you want to help her. But she did not think, the boy even going to tell me, say, she's not taking the way you are saying it. She said, you too, they do say you too no pass. They say, pay me. I said, I don't know pass. I don't know anything, no. Me, I'm just trying my best. But when I see things that is good, I would like you to take from it. I will not give you things that is bad. I will not share it. So when I hear this story, I went for YouTube. I went for Google, sorry. I went because YouTube will explain to you, say the same thing. But if you want to really go for this search, as it to know why women are cheating, go for Google. You write it down. Why women cheat. They will tell you why they are doing it. So some fault come from men. And so women know they see. They go marry wrong person. And our mind will tell you, that's the way I said before. Go tell you, say this man not good for you. You see this man, you deal with man. Another man sit there your high. So that man not go favor you. You go cheat on that man one day. You understand? So it's very easy for us to know what will bring problems to us our life and what will bring problems to our life. So that's why we pray to God that God should always give us direction. You understand? So that we can follow the right person, we can follow the right way. Because when we follow the right way, there are people that is married for many years. I guess some of my church, they married when they were 16 years. The man is 90 years now, the woman is 80 years. Now that kind of marriage now I prayed for before. But it not gonna work for me. Not that I was a bad woman or I was a woman that is doing that. No. I did talk, but I know myself. You understand? I get my limits as a woman. You understand? So that make when I hear different things that my ex was saying about me, the thing pay me. I thought so just now we will not get money. Mama Kevin, I give money to buy me for my picking. We will not get food for years. But nobody understand. But I never say it out. I'll go look for where they carry food. Those of you that live in France, I know where they carry food now. I got the carry food for them. May we eat. May we eat. So there were many chances for me to cheat on him. Even when he left me, he went to Africa. There were many times for me to do that. But I was not like that. Because my mother not cheat. My mother not do agua. When come for husband. So I God do I not their family. So that's why when I say this, I really hold you marapa. Because I want to know why they are doing it. I never say anybody. I don't have friends that have done this before. So when I say this much, it's not in Nigeria. I was not happy that she do it, but I was happy somehow to hear from her so that I can share it in my platform, so that it will still help our children that is coming up tomorrow, our girls, our boys, for them to know if they want to date a guy, the kind of man they will go for. And when the men marry, what to give to their wife that will not make their wife to cheat. You understand? Hey, my darling. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You're welcome. Good evening. Welcome. Stabbing you. Welcome. You understand? So that is it. So it's very easy for us to understand. So I'm not blaming this woman, no. But the man I find in trouble. How can you beat your wife? You understand? Abuse is not good. Abuse, they make money fall in victims. If they make money fall in victims. If they make money fall in victims. Don't beat your wife and send her out. You understand? Because when you say me go. So when I may go beat them, husband go beat them, and they are going out, may we rape them. Yes, of course. They will rape this one. They don't rape her. And I friend with the way they grow together and I sleep with the woman. You understand? Now I sleep with her. So the woman now fall in love with this guy. You know, he was dating this guy. He want to even leave the marriage. So many of my friends like that have experienced that told me such thing like that. You understand? Some of them don't do adultery. They will just come up because the man know they handle them well. So you as a man, you need to look for style. In a marriage, let me just give you one style. In a marriage, you need to know new things every day. Even though you are in a relationship. I learned that later when I separate. Because when I was with my ex, we lost many things. We couldn't do like old people. You understand? We couldn't do like old people. So in a relationship, you need to learn new things in your marriage. You need to learn new things so that will make your relationship sweet. You understand? Because when I can't do all those things, when I decide to do it, you know, leave me alone. That's why not they rain again. I'm coming. Use that. You understand? So that's why they rain again. You need to learn. Go outside. Have fun. You need to learn things outside. If you come back about a bed, do new style. We have, I think, we have more than 100. I want to be 100, 600 and something style for platform for internet. 600 and something style. When we have to do for bed. You wanna change style. Don't do only papa and mama style. When you do military style, you do change your style. It they make woman, it they make your wife go love you more. You understand? You need to do style when even babe for outside go do. When your wife do one. You know, because I don't want to they cause trouble. This woman say, "Wait, I want to climb." The man will say, "No, I don't want to climb." The man is afraid. He not go break. I'm sorry, oh. So please, you understand? You need to try, do style, do things that will make your relationship sweet. You understand? So please, don't be weak. Don't bring 1980. 1980 is not the rain again. You understand? 1980 is not the rain for marriage again. Bring new things to your marriage. Bring new things to your relationship. May you go for this. If you want to learn all those things, go to all this. How will I get it now? Because me, I didn't watch them. All those love. If go to Google. It's better. Go to Google, or if you have network, just try and get all this movie of love. You understand all those movie of love? You will learn things there. You understand? That's why many people marriage are still working, because they learn things every day. Marriage is for you to learn. Marriage not the finish. Now university when you go, you know they graduate. So you need to learn more. You need to learn. You need to look for everywhere. Buy book, watch video, watch film, so that you go learn more the way you treat your wife. So there are some things that you will give to your wife. Your wife not go look back. You not go look at that man. But there are some things if you stop giving her, she go look back. I just thank God for myself, because that is not the reason why I left I left the father of my kids. You understand? That's not the reason why I left. If not that one, in many things they were for live on. In many, if they abandon me for abroad, come on, go Nigeria, go stay 6 months, come back, spend 6 months, come out. That one a marriage. You understand? And when I want to marry, that was not marriage. I can't leave your wife for 6 months. What does it mean they do for 6 months? When you go, I can't be like man. I even told him, I said, I'm not a man, no. Because when he's touching me, I don't feel it again. You understand? When he's touching me, I don't feel it. So that is it. So there were many opportunities for me to play games. But I was not like that. So sometimes men are the one that push their wife to cheat. You understand? So you as a man, you need to play your rules and regulations very well so that you can hold your marriage. Not be looking at the whole marriage. If you don't want your wife to bring shame to you. So you need to stand for your wife. You need to love her. You need to appreciate her. Go and look for things what you going to do for your wife. Carry her like baby. You know baby. Carry her like a momo. Carry her like baby. So because if you can carry her like a baby, even though another man there outside want to tell her baby you are beautiful, you don't go mind now. Because now that beautiful they tell your wife every day. And look for what some man don't have sweet name to tell their. They say they call their wife the blessing. Don't call your wife blessing. Give her what kind of sweet name. Now only one of the quarter that you go call the name. Give her what kind of sweet name, what kind of that kind of baby name when you give her. So when the wife go the hear her hair go the bust. So you need to try things, do things that is sweet. You understand? Because this woman will tell me this thing is they go. So if you want to really know, go and really go for search. They will tell you why women are doing it. So now sometimes now men they push them. You understand? So please, ladies, if you can hold yourself, still hold yourself, and go for your call your family member, your husband family, your brothers, if they go see this to you because of family day for husband. When you go talk, they will even beat you. They go join their brother for you. They will tell you say now you not good. Their brother not good. Now your heart they outside. You understand? So if family not can hear you, you call the family in Africa. If you can call, if you cannot call, they call your pastor and they go to church because people believe they listen to their pastor more than their family. You understand? Maybe a pastor can help you. If a pastor not be those one way they scatter marriage too. You understand? Because some pastors they talk everywhere. They go scatter on a marriage. You understand? So if you not can walk, put on for God. Let God direct you. That's all I can give to you guys. You know? Okay, so that is that. So please, for the young ones, let me say it again. If you are dating a guy, how you go tell no say you go cheat? Oh, I said how to know if you are going to cheat. If you are going to cheat in your relationship. When you are looking, as in when you see a guy, let me just say it in broken like that. When you deal with a guy, okay, and you can't see another man, your eye can't dey. You can't see the guy, can't fall for and say, this guy fine, oh, this guy do this one. Meaning say the man when you dey house, when you dey friend, e not good for you. Now that one you see now, that be the kind of man when you get, that be ideal man. So everybody get ideal man when you get. We should stop making that mistake. Because when you have the man of your choice, the man of your ideal man, you don't go play games. Because this ideal man will give you everything when they find. If na bed they find, will give you. If na maintenance, he will give you. If na money, go they give you. If na to pet you, go they pet you. Anything when they find for woman, go give you. So that kind of man, you get all those kind of things. You don't go outside. But when you go marry man, when of they take off for bed, they give you money. If they beat you, if they cost your papa, if they cost your mama, you go leave. Yes, of course, you are going to leave. So that is the reason why people are still cheating. Because for the beginning, many people lost it because they sense no day. You understand? Sense no day. Me, I made that mistake too. Sense no day. But the way I've been, I don't think I go for that kind of victim. So it's very important for you to know the kind of man that you're going to spend your life with. So that you will not play games. So that you will not do things that is nasty. Things that will bring shame to you and your children. You understand? If you don't born now, you should come tomorrow and say, "Mad do abomination. I make can live in marriage." Now very shameful thing. You understand? Now very shameful thing. You know good. So it's very easy for us to know the kind of man we should go for. Because if you deal with a man who you love, a man with your real choice day. Now time we rush. You understand? Like we were married at the age of 22 years. At 22 years, people feel like even wise. I'm not wise when I did 22 years. I don't know anything. I come Europe when I was very small. I said they talk. When I come my small, I don't know anything. I just go to your carry me come. I small picking. You understand? I was very small when I came to Europe. So now Europe I will start my girl. Let me just now Europe I will start babe. When you say babe, that make I fall a victim when I born at the age of 19 years for my first child. Now Europe that was my first pregnancy when I take my first picking. That's my boy that's been complete 11 years now. That was my first pregnancy. I'm not wise. So I can't say I can't pick go. I want to say okay, bring your son. I took my son to my mom. Because I have to go back. I have a document. I have to get a job. You understand? So 2 years now, I still fall in victim. I get married again. At 22 years. I don't even know. I don't know anything. What if man tell me I love you, you are beautiful? Okay, now I did. You know, there are a lot of things that I could have asked. I don't even know where. 3 months, I don't get belay. You understand? Can't do marriage, born. You know, everything was so fast. And because then I'm going to propose it for 3 months. I can accept it to be married. I'm not marry for 3 months. It's not possible. I cannot marry for 3 months. So what rubbish is that? I know you. I need to know you. I need to test you very well. Make I know whether you feel carry you, even your character, whether you feel take care of me. Because there are things that women need. If your man cannot give you, your heart go there aside. May not be all women, oh. So women are still go to the as in they are different. They face the beer. May not be all women. That's why you say all women are not the same. There are women that is strong. There are women that is not strong. They call them faible. En français, faible. As in they get soft mind. If you don't push them, they don't fall for bed for you. Hey, they don't green. They don't green already. Yes, it's there. You know, so that make I don't call to judge anybody again. Because you know me say because with me pass through that one, I can stay for 6 months. Me say, oh, man, go stay for 6 months. No, me I not go even green these days. No man go leave me for 6 months. Go where? Where you they go? What you concern me? Why leave me for here for 6 months? Go where? Who send you? The money say, go sit down. I will never try it. You cannot even leave me for abroad and go to Africa and go out for 6 months. For what rubbish is that? Waiting. I said they marry. No, but we stay here. Massive, you can go and visit. 3 weeks. You don't come back. Yes, that's it. You understand? Now when person, our family then they walk. Don't let any man tell you I want to go and walk in Abuja. No, don't agree that one again. Don't green. Because they go there, they enjoy. You go there, you know, you go hold your body, they tight body. You understand? So that's it, they push you, man. As I said before, sometimes your mind will tell you things, evil thing you go do. Me, the apple of my God, I will not be taking negative things that I want to do. I will do this. After I will tell myself, I say, shut up. I need to insult that spirit. I say, shut up, I will not do it. I will come cool down. You understand? So that is it. So that's what I can share for you guys. Okay, so I pray that God should be our strength. For those of you that is passing through this, I pray that God should give you the power for you to be strong. You understand? For you to be strong and keep yourself till God should take a good decision in your relationship so that God can change the man. You understand? And make him a better husband for you. You understand? So those of you that you have separated already because of this, then I want to advise you. If you are going for another relationship again, you need to use that. Please. When you are dating a guy, you see the trip for another guy. That man who you deal with, you don't like him. Because when you deal with a guy when you really like, you're not going to look at another man high. And that one is truth. I don't experience that. If I don't experience, I'm not going to tell you. You understand? I have experienced it. It's true. Yes. When you are with a man that your heart really beat for, the kind of your ideal man, what you desire as a woman, write your list. The man really they give you. Everything. No, not be saying you give everything, because only God they give everything. As the man they try. What you like, what you woman they want. Not be money, sex, respect. He go treat you like a queen. Carry you like a baby. All those small things we will give you. You don't finish. Women don't need too much things. So when you get that kind of man, you don't go one go outside. I'm telling you. But when you get man, when you know man, we know they give you all those things. You know they give you money. You know they maintain you. You know they carry you like a baby. You know they treat you like a queen. You know they respect you. Go see curse you, beat you, Jenna. Oh, why wanna waiting? That kind of marriage you go come out. And just small time, the man, a small thing go push on you, she go come out. Because when they beat. One they go beat and you go say, I don't too much. So that is it. So please, you need to open your eye. Okay? If you want to date a guy, this one go for my young ones. You understand? That is coming up. And those of you that is separate already, that you are going for a relationship. If you are dating a guy, let that guy be the guy that you really your choice. Okay? And you can go to my video and watch it. Do not make the mistake to choose. So you need to go back and watch it. So it will make you to understand if you are making choice, what you need as a woman for you to have your own choice. Even man can watch it too. It will still help you. You understand? Because this choice matters a lot. And go for man where you like what you like. If you want where you like that thing, you need to marry man where you like him. Man will go fit handle you. So if you be man, you be woman, you go marry man when they try. When you like the thing, you go hard. Like then my girlfriend will tell me when talk and say 4 weeks, 3 weeks for inside not to do. Only 1 week that they remove. That 1 week na for period. So you see Anna, you go hard. She understand. So guys, stay blessed, and I hope to see you guys next week with another wonderful topic. So if you have a comment, you can drop your comment below so I can still help people that's going to watch it. You understand? So if you have a story, bring your own story. Write me. My number is there. You can call me on WhatsApp. Okay? Let's share our story together. A story. So we are here to help people. I am not a perfect person. So if you know that there are things that me too are not they do well, so still let me know. So that if I can see change, you understand, change this time. Me, I'm not a perfect person. You understand? So that is it. So we are here to help each other. So if you guys can still help me. So that is it. So I'm not perfect. So if you know that there are still things that is bothering you, I'm not a perfect person. I don't know everything. So there are still things I can still share for you. I still have small experience, little experience. So not I said big one, but I'm still planning. I still praying for God to give me more every day of my life. So you understand? So that I can still share, because I'm here to help people. The people will still help me. You understand? So that is why I'm here. I'm not here to mock anybody, but I'm here because of my past, because of my experience, for me to help people, for me to share my story for people, so that they can still learn from it. Mostly about men. You understand? How men lost their wife, how men lost when they got married to a woman that have kids. You understand? As a single mother, as you are a mother married a woman before we get picking, you know the way you need to love the child more than your own. You understand? That is the reason why I am a platform to help men. Because me too, I am a mother. I have boys. You understand? So I need to leave those kind of things today so that I can still help my children is coming up. So that we still help people out there. You understand? Because maybe nobody go. I know many people don't experience it, but they don't feel doing. You understand? That I perfect, but now God push me. Now something push me. I come and talk. But I don't miss. I go there here forever. I don't know how, but for now I'm here. But nobody knows. Maybe another thing go seriously take me go on that way now. You understand? As in another thing I feel just enter when I they do. So I don't know yet. But this is what I do for now. So let's see the way God will carry the matter go, carry the work they go. You understand? So if you have a story, you have anything you want us to talk about, to share for people, bring it. We will share it together. You have any gisting that we can talk, we can still help people, or we want us to talk a gisting that not be insult or not be to cause anybody, because we're not the cause for here. Now for here and for us to help people, to teach people, to let people understand what women are feeling and what men should do to their wife, how men to know the value of their wife, how women to respect their husband, how we to take off our kids. You understand? So all those things that we talk about. Our program is to talk about life and relationship. You understand? And life, everything like that we were talking about. I believe by the grace of God, more are still coming. Okay? So stay blessed and God bless you. And bye. Thank you very much. Ciao. Thank you, everyone.